Okay, so come to the question number 7. Question number 7 is very important question and very interesting question. Okay, so question number 7 is Monica's mother gave her a chocolate to have during the lunch break in school, but she ate half of it in the bus on the way to school. I think all of some of you also do this type of things. Okay, so bus on the way to school, again 1/4 of it in the break time and remaining in the bus on the way back home. Okay, so what fraction of chocolate did she have while going back home? That means the amount of fraction of chocolate remaining that you have to find after eating uh, in the bus while going to school. That means 1/2, and again eating the amount 1/4 in the lunch time. Okay, that thing you have to subtract from which, remember one thing, total in case of fraction is 1. Total means 1. That means the amount of chocolate which had, it is this part 1. Okay, after that she ate 1/2, half of that part in bus while going to school. That means you have to subtract this part. Okay, again she ate 1/4 in the lunch time. That part also you have to subtract. Okay, so 1 minus 1/2, that means, or you can write 1 minus, that is half part she ate in bus and 1/4 part that she ate in lunch break. So that amount, whenever you that eaten amount, whenever you subtract from the total amount, that means one chocolate, that means total, then that part will be the remaining part, and that part she actually ate when she go back to her home, and that part we have to find. Okay, so you just write question number 7, given fraction of chocolate eaten by Monica. Eaten by Monica is eaten by Monica in bus. In bus while going to school, because in bus she had 2 times. Okay, in bus while going to school. That is 1/2. Okay, again fraction of chocolate eaten by her, because one time you use the name, then second time you can use the her also. Fraction of chocolate eaten by her in lunch time, that is 1/4. Okay, so 1/2 eaten in bus while going to school and 1/4 eaten in lunch time. Okay, so now you just find the remaining part of the chocolate. So therefore the remaining fraction of the chocolate is actually total chocolate, that means 1 total, but 1 minus the eaten part. You can write in the bracket, then you can write plus, because 1/2 is eaten in bus, 1/4 is eaten in lunch. So that sum of that part, whenever you subtract from 1, then you will left with the remaining part. Why 1? Because total means 1, from 1 chocolate, from the full part, total part. Okay, so 1 minus, plus take LCM, 2 and 4 LCM 4. So whenever you divide 4 by this 2, you will get 2 into the numerator 1, plus whenever you divide 4 by 4, you will get 1, and 1 into the numerator 1. So 1 minus 2 plus 1/4. So 1 minus 3/4. Same again, you have to take LCM. No, 1 means what? In the denominator again, this is a 1. So 1 and 4 LCM 4. So when it should be like this. So 1 4s are 4. So 4 into 1 minus 1 into 3. So that means, right here. So that means 4 minus 3 divided by 4. So 1/4. Okay, 1/4 the remaining part. Okay, but at last you have to write the sentence. That means according to question, at last you write this part. According to question, this is a symbol of according to question, A oblique Q, capital A oblique Q. That means according to question, Monica at the remaining part of the chocolate while going back to school, while going back to home. Okay, it is given. So therefore last question is why what fraction of chocolate did she have while going back to home? So therefore 1 by 4, therefore Monica at 1 by 4 part of chocolate while going back to home. Okay, at last you write this, because you have to you should tell the answer according to the language of the question. So question is what fraction of chocolate, what part of chocolate Monica ate while going back to her home. Okay.